The standing cable press around is a chest exercise variation that maximizes pec contraction by pressing the cable across the body's midline. Here's how to do it correctly. Attach a D handle to the cable machine pulley set to approximately chest height. Stand in the center of the cable machine with your body angled away from the cable pulley. With your feet shoulder width apart, grab a D handle with one hand with an overhand neutral, palms facing in grip, then grip the opposite cable column with the other hand for added stability. Engage your core, then bend your elbow to bring the D handle to the outside of your chest. Press the D handle directly across your body at chest level. Focus on squeezing your chest as you bring the handle across the midline of your body. Under control, slowly reverse the movement by bending your elbow and allowing the cable to pull your hands back to the starting position beside the outside of your chest. Keep tension on your chest as you control the return, without allowing the cables to pull you back too quickly. Avoid any jerky or fast motions. Repeat all the reps on one side, then switch arms and repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.